All right, welcome back to section 6, part 3, where we're going to finish off creating the rest of the homepage or the middle section. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus icon here, and we're going to add 2 containers. We're going to click on the container button up here. I'm going to set this to 30% and this one to 70%. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a text editor and change this to be about me. Set it to paragraph 5. Then we're going to click on this and add another text editor. Now what you're going to do is if you go into your resources, you'll see there's a section called text, and there's a folder that's zipped. So you unzip that and you'll find a folder, a Word document called homepage text. And what you're going to do is you're going to open it up and you're going to copy this section that's below the fold about me section. Copy it. And we're going to paste that in here. And now all we need to do is we need to do a couple of things. So this one is going to be, so the first thing we need to do is this needs to be capitalized. So we're going to do about me. And with this one, we're going to click on it and click on H5. And that is it. So I'm just going to zoom in just to make sure it looks good. It's a bit small. Let's have a look what we did with that. It's typography. Okay, the typography is, what heading is it? I think it's a, okay. So what we need to do is we need to make this bigger. So what we're going to do, oops, we're going to hit Control Z, don't do that. Click on paragraph 3. Does that look? Yeah, okay, that's it, paragraph 3. So I'm going to set that to heading 3, and, click on it again, set it to heading 3, and now it's the right size. So now what we're going to do is we're going to finish up the rest of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on down here, and we're going to click on plus. We're going to click on this, and we're going to have an image on the left and a text editor on the right. Now, for the image, what you're going to do is we're going to go to our images directory. Here we go, icons and images, unsplash images, okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this image here. So we're going to upload, what we're going to do now is we're just going to upload all the images because we'll be using them later. So we're going to click on upload images, going to click on select, going to go to images in the all images folder, unsplash images, and we're just going to Control and left click on all these images because we will be adding them later. So we'll just click on them. Click on that, click on open, and we've now added all the images. And you'll see here it will populate all the images as it uploads them. So that's going to take a bit of time. So what we're going to do is that's going to take a bit of time, so we'll just skip. All right, now with all the images uploaded, we're going to grab this image here and click select, and that will add the image here. And now what we need to do is we need to add the text to the right. So we're going to go into the Word document and click on, hover over this section here, which is the very first paragraph. Copy this into here with Control V if you're on a Windows machine, and I think it's Command V on a Mac. And now we've got our, the only thing is that I'm pretty sure that this text is bold. Hang on, let's have a look at the weight. Okay, so yeah, it's semi-bold. Okay, so what we're going to do, hover, no, don't do that. We're going to click on Style. We're going to click on Typography. We're going to change the weight to semi-bold. And now you'll see we've got that look like we've got there, but the rest of the text will be normal. So I'm going to click on the next paragraph, copy this, and create another text editor. And copy this in. Yep, starting to look great. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add a button. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to show you something. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this button up here, click on Save as Save Style, Save as Global. Save as, we'll just click on Save as Default. Actually, we could cancel. Alright, so what we're going to do is, so we're going to click up here, going to click on Save, and then we're going to click on Save as, that's interesting. Can't do it. All good. So we're just going to click on Button, add a button here, and this button is going to be center aligned. So we're going to click on Style, click on Content, click on Center, and we're going to change the text, which you change up here, to be Read More. And we're going to come back and add the link for that later once we've created the other page. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add another text editor underneath this one. Grab the next paragraph, which is this one up here, and click on and paste it into here. And then lastly, I'm going to add the last paragraph of text and paste it in. So copy another text editor, add it underneath. So just add it underneath. Paste it in, Control V, and that's it. Now we're going to click on Update. You want to click on Update to make your to select your changes before you move out of the page. It'll give you a warning if you have unsaved changes, but that is how you do that. Yeah. So now we're going to move on to section 6, part 4, which is going to be creating the header area. So we're just going to move on to that now.